Thank you for tuning in again, guys, to the channel. This is going to be another helpful how-to video. This is a 400EX, and today I'm going to be showing you how to remove your master cylinder on the handlebars. Now, I bled the brakes off of this. They was sticking on it. The brake master cylinder does work. It just sat a long time, and you know, the calipers rusted to the, I guess, the rotors, you would say, or just sticking. Brake pads was. So I'm going to go ahead and remove this, though, just to give y'all a how-to video, because I am outside enjoying the day. You will want a 12mm, and you will want to loosen this bolt first. Now you have two washers under this. They special washers just for brake lines and stuff. You don't want to lose them washers because you will need them if you reinstalling this. But that is the washer, and they one on this side. So don't lose them, and put them up. Put them to the side so you know where they at. Now you will need a 12 or a quarter. These has been about stripped out before. Somebody had this off once upon a time. So go ahead and loosen that. Lottie, toddy, lefty, loosey. And so you don't forget, you do have two wires. Most four-wheelers, if you buy them used, won't have these two wires hooked up. People tie them together and stuff. This little switch does act up. These is already unplugged, but they just snap right off and you can unplug them. So don't forget about that as you're removing this. And set your bolts to the side because you will be using them. If you got two hands, it don't make it difficult, but I got to put my hip into it to hold this steady so it don't drop and hit the ground and bust, because these can bust. They are aluminum, and they do got a plastic thing right here that can go bad. So go ahead and just loosen your bolts. And it's not ready yet. Whoever worked on this four-wheel don't need to be working on four-wheels. They got the bolts and they actually look like they've been over-tightened or hanging the actual bolts for this. But anyway, once you get that, you can go ahead and remove this just like so. It will have brake fluid in it and stuff, so you want to be careful of that. This is pretty much empty, so that's good. And the bolts, one of them is stripped. Now these is a pain in the ass to get out if they stripped. Trust me. Sometimes you have to put a groove in them or beat another one way into them and get them out. Yep, most people just throw them away and buy new ones. They give them so much trouble, but you can get them out. So I hope you found this 400EX how-to video, how to remove your brake master cylinder for the front of your handlebars. Helpful. If you did, please drop a like. Let me know in the comment section if you got 400EX and what trouble you had out of your brake master cylinder, or if you found this video helpful. Drop a like and hit that subscribe button. Thank you for showing support for my channel. See you on the next video.